This is the elevator at Kmart Penn Station. So innovation security. Here's this one. Oh, beautiful cab. Let's go to G. Not a dead indicator. See, this indicator is more dead than I thought. Because KONE did a bad job on this. Because everything else is 100% non-working indicators. Ooh. Let's go see. Going down? There we go. Oh, sorry. And don't think if I really need to get this thing done. Nice job, KONE. You did a very bad job on the indicator. Let me get the air. And that's it.